parents and students of Honors Biology and Exemplar Scholars Honors Biology. I'm going to pass back the lab questions over the Bean Population Lab tomorrow. There were some good, there's some good scores on that. Some of you guys didn't do as well, didn't answer questions very thoroughly on that. So moving forward, when we do more labs and I ask you questions, I want to make sure we're just kind of thorough with our answers. Anyway, also the population dynamics quiz, that's going to be tomorrow over what we covered thus far. That's over chapter 36. Great way to study is to look over your notes that we've covered thus far, and bell ringers are great ways to study for that, and those exercises we've done also. Another thing, in Moodle, I had you guys do this here. So if you were gone, there's this Moodle check also. I want you to do that. I had a prop issue with Moodle and RunWeb communicating with one another, transferring grades, and long story short, something was going wrong. I fixed it. This is just a 1-point assignment I'm giving you guys points for, just to see messing with that and seeing what happens with things. It's kind of like a little test for me, if you will. So that's that. Field days on Tuesday. We're doing another lab, more like a computer simulation on Wednesday with actual human population growth and different types of demographics, different types of countries, all that good stuff. And then on Thursday, we'll have some lab questions over the population dynamics lab that we did on Wednesday. I'm hoping that'll be on Moodle, but it may be a handwritten one. I'm not really sure yet. I'm trying to do it on Moodle, but we'll see if I get that done in time. We'll start our notes over conservation biology also, and that's the last bit of ecology that we're going to cover for the year. So then we'll move on to cellular level and to like the chemistry of biology. So yes, and one thing I was going to say, I don't know if I said this, but if you guys did not get the lab or you weren't here for it, had a number of students go on that day to do the lab questions, I just marked it as missing. Don't freak out if your grade goes way down because it's just missing. It calculates as a 0, but as soon as you turn that stuff in, it'll go back up. So just kind of keep that in mind. Alrighty guys, thank you very much and have a great week.